Good evening, guys. I have discussion D for you. We're discussing the wear and tear theory of aging tonight for D. So please join me for tonight's presentation. Here we go. The definition: the wear and tear theory of aging suggests that the human body, much like a machine, gradually deteriorates over time with repeated use, exposure to stressors, and natural influences of biological processes. Cells and tissues accumulate damage. This ongoing breakdown eventually reduces the body's ability to function optimally, leading to the signs and consequences of aging. Historical context. Okay, guys. The concept dates back to August Weismann in 1882, who proposed that aging was not a programmed biological necessity, but rather the inevitable result of accumulated damage. His framing helped distinguish between theories that see aging as a genetic program versus those that view it as a byproduct of where accidents and environmental stress over time. This theory became one of the foundational ideas in gerontology, influencing later models like free radical theory and cross thinking theory. The wear and tear model emphasizes several interconnected processes: accumulated cellular damage. Everyday metabolic activity produces waste and errors. Environmental exposures, such as toxins, UV radiation, and pollutants, compound this damage, leading to DNA mutations, protein misfolding, and tissue breakdown. Oxidative stress, free radicals, unstable molecules generated during metabolism attack DNA. Proteins and lipids. This oxidative damage impairs mitochondria, the cell's energy factories, reducing resilience and vitality. telomere shortening. Okay, each time a cell divides, its telomeres, protective caps on chromosomes, shorten. Eventually, cells reach a point of sensing where they no longer divide and function less effectively. Protein cross-linking, chemical reactions like glycation create rigid cross-links between proteins, stiffening tissues, reducing flexibility, and impairing enzymatic activity. This contributes to age-related changes in skin, blood vessels, and organs. Together, these mechanisms paint aging as a cumulative process of biological erosion. Evidence for and against support the theory. The theory resonates with everyday observations: wrinkles, joint stiffness, slower healing, and declining stamina all suggest gradual breakdown. It also aligns with the principle of entropy, where systems naturally move toward disorder. Counterpoints: biology is not a simple machine. Organisms have repair systems, DNA repair, enzymes, oxidants, defenses, immune surveillance that actively counteract damage. Moreover, many species exhibit lifespans far longer than expected if we're alone. Dictated aging. For example, some turtles and whales live for centuries, challenging the idea that where is the sole determinant. Research into cellular rejuvenation and regenerative medicine also shows that aspects of aging can be reversed or slowed, complicating the wear and tear narrative. Relation to other aging theories. The wear and tear theory belongs to the family of error theories, which argue aging results from cumulative damage. In contrast, programmed theories suggests aging is genetically regulated, time tied to biological clocks or evolutionary trade-offs. Overlap. With the three radical theory, it shares emphasis on oxidative damage. With the cross-thinking theory, it highlights chemical stiffening of tissues. With the mitochondrial theory, it underscores energy decline. With the disposable stoma theory, it connects resource allocation to repair and longevity. This interplay shows that aging is likely multifunctional, with wear and tear being one piece of a larger puzzle. Practical implications. Even if wear and tear is not the whole story, it underscores the importance of lifestyle and environmental in shaping how we age. Reducing oxidative stress, diets rich in antioxidants, regular exercise, and minimizing exposure to toxins can help. Supporting repair systems, adequate sleep, stress management, and balanced nutrition booster cellular repair. Maintaining resilience. Practices like strength training, cardiovascular fitness, and cognitive stimulation may slow functional decline. Ultimately, while aging cannot be estimated, the pace and quality of decline can be influenced, suggesting that wear and tear is not destiny but a process we can modulate. Would you like me to map this theory against culturally responsive aging frameworks? For example, how different communities interpret wear and tear versus ripening or wisdom accumulation. That could connect the biological model to the social narratives you often work with. Okay, guys, so that is it for tonight. I will see everybody tomorrow for shows. For now, Gator Wellness, take care, folks.